find a real nice hump. There's a nice hump right here. It goes right down from it's like 8 foot, and it'll drop right down to 11, and it'll go right up to almost 2 foot. All right, guys, we'll see what we can catch tonight. Alright guys, we're at our first spot. We've already had a hit trying to get all the pools in. Of course we missed it. So hopefully we'll be able to get enough light for us to be able to show any videos here at night. Beautiful calm night here on Pymatuning Lake. Now we got ourselves an old mud cat. I ended up netting it, so I forgot to turn my camera on. Warren's got another one. Yep, another cat. Almost looks like the same fish.
Probably is. Nah, this
a little bit bigger.
Nah, I thought this one's smaller.
Smaller.
Yeah.
Alright. Arn's got 2 in the boat. Well guys, of course didn't get any video. Arn was fighting a big channel cat, and I just pulled this in on an ultralight, and heck, we don't even know how big this thing is.
I'm gonna say it's about
25. As you see, that goes 18, and he's bigger than that. So now we're gonna try and catch a couple more of these babies. Alrighty.
That's a small one. I'm just hoping it just falls off.
Arn catches another little one.
Man, this might be the smallest cat I've ever caught.
Arn fighting another probably big cat. Haven't seen it come up yet.
Oh, I might have lost.
Ah, we lost it. Alright guys, we ended up catching a bunch of catfish. I got one here that's still kicking around. Got a real nice walleye here. We pulled it in. Unfortunately, we didn't get it on camera, like I said. It is 25 inches, and hopefully I'll have the weight of it, and I'll put that down below here. So, good night of fishing. I'd like to thank everybody that's watched all the way to the end here. And if you haven't subscribed, you're new to my channel, please hit that red button and make it gray. And give me a like. Leave a comment. Those of you that already subscribed to me, I thank you for the support. And hopefully we have many more nights like this. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. Have a blessed day.